just a basic tutorial on how to name angles, which is a pretty basic skill, but one that'll kind of like bite you and confuse you to no end if you don't take the time to figure it out. So basically what you want to do, so I'm just going to write out an example here. So say this angle, this is point V, this is point N, this is point A. So what you want to do, find center letter, which is A, then find the letters on either side, which are V and N respectively. So write it as letter to one side, so we'll just put V, and then center letter, not level, letter to other side, which is N. Oh, it can be NAV too. It doesn't particularly matter. But I like to do it more like that. But all a matter of preference. And write this symbol before it, which is also the sign for greater than, but it means angle in this situation, and you want to write it like that. So this is angle VAN. Okay, so we're going to do some examples. So what is this angle? Okay, so first we're going to find the center angle and put it in the center. Then we're going to find the angle to one side, which of course is E. And then we're going to find the angle to the other side, which is F. And then we're going to do this sign to show it's an angle. And now we just have to look for one that matches this. So it's C. And never, you can put the last letter in the sequence first, or the first letter last, but you can never put the middle letter first, because that kind of destroys the whole purpose of which angle you're referring to. So which angle refers the same as GPB? So G is here, P is here, and B is there. So GPB is this angle here. So we just have to look for it on the multiple choice section here. So as you can see, this one is the exact same as that. So it's A. Alright, so what is a name for the marked angle? Okay, so we know the center is going to be A, because that's the point right there. And then to one side, it'll be D, and to the other, it'll be C. Now you do that angle. Okay, and this time, you might be like, oh, there's no DAC. But there's CAD, which means the exact same thing. It's just written in the other way. And both are correct. So be prepared to just, if you don't see the answer you wrote, then just look for the reverse of what you wrote. And that could be an answer too. Alright, so last one here. Which angle refers to the same angle as EDC? So EDC is this angle here. It's kind of confusing because there's another line passing through it, but since D is the center and E and C are to one side, it has to be this center angle, which of course is D because it's the same kind of arc and it's the same color, and that's how you can tell. So pretty quick video today, just how to name angles. It's a pretty basic skill. Hopefully you're able to learn it pretty easily because it's a very critical skill because everything builds on it, and if you don't know how to do this, a lot of problems will confuse you. So alright, thanks for watching. Bye.